Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this week's Make and Take Grab and Go craft. So this week we're going to be making a yellow submarine. My name's Chris and let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin by opening our craft kit. Some instructions, well, we probably don't need that. Let's just wing it, okay? So, let's see. Let's begin making the submarine by separating the two large pieces, the two oval pieces. So what we're gonna do first is create the sides of the submarine. So what you're gonna wanna do is find the outside of the submarine. So the side with the blue stripe. Perfect, I got them lined up. And you have some stickers right here. So these stickers are gonna be the windows. You're gonna wanna use the small stickers first. We'll get back to the big circles after. Let's go ahead and try this. Okay, once it's off, it's very sticky. So you're gonna wanna add 3 of these stickers. Remove the adhesive. There you go. And then one more, you're gonna add the 4th one on the other side of the blue stripe. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna rinse and repeat and do the same thing to the other side, okay? And make sure once again that you're getting the smaller circles. Don't accidentally use a bigger circle because that's gonna come into play later. Perfect. So it looks like we have the sides of our submarine already created. So now we're gonna try and getting them to stick together. So next, let's find the square pieces. See, we have 2 square pieces right here, but you notice there's a difference. This one has some grooves where you know that this could be punctured out. So let's go ahead. This one is gonna go on the top of the submarine. So let's attach the base first. So get your 2 sides, and then it's really simple. Just stick it in like this. Get the other side, stick it in like this. Cool. Held together. And now the one with the grooves, you're gonna wanna take those out and stick that on the top. Alrighty, it's coming together. Okay, so next what we're gonna wanna do is the remaining, these adhesives right here, they come off and this is gonna create our propellers. So this white stripe is the sticky part. So you're gonna wanna remove it and make sure you place it on the inside of this gray square right here. Don't do it out here, make sure to put it right here and try and center it. And you're gonna, once again, just repeat that step on the other side. So these are the propellers. So you're gonna wanna add it, once again, on the inside. Perfect. Okay, now for this orange yellow piece, this is gonna go into the grooves right here, and that's gonna create the top of our submarine. So go ahead and stick it right in. And you also have a cool little straw right here. And then let's add that to the top. And right here, ooh, okay, we made this in record time. Okay, it looks pretty good. So, fun fact, this part right here is actually called the periscope of the submarine. And for the final touch, we're gonna add the large circles. These are gonna be the large windows on the top of the submarine. So just add it to the center right here and do the same thing on the other side. See. And there you go. And there you have it. Voila, a yellow submarine. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. Tune in next week for another craft, another grab and go craft. Thanks for crafting with Chris.